You don't need to be a professional to achieve a perfect senator neckline with zip. Welcome to Sew With Anita, where I share tips that no one talks about that will elevate your sewing skills from a basic to a professional. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit on the like button and drop your comments. In this video, I'll be taking us through the step-by-step process of achieving this senator neckline with zip. My last video, I dropped a full tutorial on how to cut and sew this senator step by step. So if you haven't watched the video, please go ahead to watch it and let's dive into the tutorial. So before fixing your neck zip, ensure that you've piped your neck first of all. Then I'm going to go ahead to fix my zipper. So I'm going to take us through the process on the sewing machine. So to have a nice result, ensure that you're using your zipper foot. So I've gone ahead to remove my regular sewing foot, which is this one I'm holding here, and I'm going to fix in my zipper foot. After doing that, I'm going to get my invisible zip. So I'm going to place it on one side of this neckline. So ensure that you're fixing the side that looks like it was covered to face the right side of the fabric. So do you see? Then the side that has the zipper that you can see clearly, ensure that that place is where you're going to stitch on. This is actually the back of the invisible zip. So we're going to be stitching this with about half of an inch. It actually depends on what you use to join the other shoulder. We are starting our stitch from the armhole side, where the bottom of the zip is going to be at the armhole side. Then I'm going to go ahead to give it a straight stitch very close to where we have our zip. Then we're going to stop the stitch where the neckline stops. So do you see that? After that, we're going to cut the thread, and this is what we have. Do you see that the front is looking invisible? Then we're going to place the other fabric right side facing each other, and we're going to pin it down. Ensure that you pin from the neckline. So we want that neckline side to be equal so that we don't have a messy work. So just take your time and pin it down. Ensure that it is equal with the other neckline of the other side. So do you see what I'm doing? So I've gone ahead to pin it down together like that so that it can be firm. Then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to stitch it down. So this time around, instead of starting from the bottom side, I'm going to start from the neckline so that it can be equal. So I will ensure that it is equal at the end. So just take note of these little things that can cause beginners to make mistakes. So we're going to stitch it down to the end. After doing that carefully, I'm just going to cut my thread, and this is what we have after stitching it down. So I've gone ahead to open it up so that you can see how neat it is looking. Do you see what it looks like? So I'm going to get rid of the excess zip. So I'm going to open it up and fold it like this and stitch it down. So do you see what I did? I'm stitching it down on one side. That is the side that is not going to show in front. Then I'm going to cut out the excess just like that, and this is what we have. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side too. I'm going to open up the zip. Then I'm just going to get one side. You see the side that is not showing in front? Then I'm going to stitch it down, fold it and stitch it down. So where I'm stitching down is on the zipper allowance that we have there. And please note that it is just a very tiny stitch that we're using to hold it down. Then I'm going to cut it out, cut out the excess. So this is what the result looks like. Do you see that the neck is equal and you won't even know where I added the zip to? So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget, a full tutorial on how to achieve this senator is on my channel, so just go ahead to watch it.